I want to demonstrate how to create display profiles for the drill hole data that we have recently imported into GEMS. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a color table for grades that I find in the grade values I find in this drill hole database. So I'm going to go down here to Profiles tab, go to Colors, right click, and select Properties. And here I'm going to go to this button up here. It says New Profile. Create a new profile called Grade. And then I'm going to fill in this table with ranges of values and the corresponding color I want. And if you want to know how I go about choosing the ranges and the colors, I'll put a link to two different videos that together describe how I go about doing that. So for now, I know I want to use, let's start building this table. I know what the values that I want to use are. Let me just find them on my other screen. Okay, so from 0 to 2.84, I want those values to be colored blue. From 2.84 to 3.21, I'd like to use green. Going from cool colors to warm colors, and I'm going to do 5 ranges. And then up to 3.68, that yellow. 3.68 to 3.94 will be orange, and then anything greater than that, just put a big number there, will be red. Pi. Okay. So now I have a color range, but I need to then build a drill hole color profile, or I'm sorry, drill hole display profile. So I'll go up to Format, down to Drill Holes, click on that. I'll go to this New Profile button again. I'll call this Grade. Let's call it DH Grade for drill hole grade. And then the workspace I want to use is my drill hole database that I've created, DHDB. I'm going to skip this tab and go to the Trace tab. I'm going to check this box, Show Trace Colors. This color, I'm going to change from black to a light gray. This is what you're going to see in a drill hole if there are no values to color. I'm going to click this checkbox, so use field values to decide the color of each trace line. The information that's going to color a trace is going to come from, not from the header table, but the assay table. The field I'm going to use in the assay table is not the hole ID, but the grade field. And the color table is this grade color table we built earlier. If you forget to do this step, no worries. You can actually just hit this button and it'll take you straight to the section where you can build a new grade table. All right, and then also I'm going to check this box here called Draw the Trace as a thick line, and down here we can define how thick that line is going to be. It's like 3 meters. And hit Apply. Okay. So now the profile is made to display the drill hole data. We just got to turn the drill hole data on. So I'm going to go to the drill hole database, the Objects tab that I want to open. Right click, Open, and I'm going to, it's already selected the only display profile I've got so far, but if there were multiple, you could select them here. And I'll hit OK. This gives me an option of opening a subset of the drill holes and visualizing only those, but I don't care about that now. I want to select all the holes. I've got this radio button clicked. Okay, and there you go. I've got my drill holes now showing, and the parts of the holes are colored with these bright colors representing the grade, and where I don't have values for grade, there's a thin gray line that's showing me the trace of the hole. And that's it.